Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art tutorial, I decided to do some matte nail art with some freehand glitter designs. Lots of, half moon stripe work and some vines. So the first color I used was Gelixir shade 123, that olive green color. And then I also used Gelay's Innocence for the nice nude creamy base under the leaves. So I did the green on all of my nails except for my middle finger where I did the nude. I did 3 coats of green and then 2 of the nude just because I wanted it to still be a little bit sheer. And then as you see here on my ring finger, I did a half moon silhouette so I could do the black half moon underneath the green color. So once that was all applied, I cured, and then I'm taking this velvet matte top gel, which I applied to each of my nails. This is a no wipe top gel, so once it's cured it will appear matte. And you just want to make sure to go over every nail evenly so it's not streaky, because matte top coat is a little bit harder to work with than a regular top coat. And it's kind of crazy we're on top coat step already, but since all of the details are like 3D and this Mission Control Overdrive cures to a shiny finish, we don't need any top coat after that. So I'm taking that art gel, and I just started with the ring finger doing the half moon, and just use a little detailed brush just to pull that along with the cuticle line. And I left a little bit of a line between the black and the green, which I outlined after I put this glitter on top of the half moon. So I just did that glitter step and I cured it. And then once it was cured, you can just brush off all of the loose glitter. And then I did an outline just to kind of add a little bit more definition. And I thought it really kind of pulled that whole nail together. So once that was on and cured, I went on to the middle fingernail. So I started with the long vine down the middle. And then I just did leaves going down one side of it, and they're just little teardrop shapes, so just kind of put a blob on there and then pull the detail brush from side to side to get the little leaf shape. And then once I finished the one side, I just went in between the leaves on the other side, if that makes any sense, just to kind of make them a little bit more evenly spaced. And then to fill out the nail, I did a vine underneath that, just a smaller one, and then one above it as well. Just using the same technique, I just only did a couple petals. Well, I guess they're not petals, they're leaves. Anyway, you get the idea. So, pretty simple. It does not have to be perfect. Just kind of make them little triangle shapes, rounded triangles. And then I did a wide stripe going down my pointer fingernail. Just because I'm glittering both of those, so I just did it at the same time. So same steps here so I could get that textured glitter look. And then once that was cured, I dusted off all the excess. And then just to finish it up, I just took some more art gel and just did 2 lines alongside that glitter stripe that I was just leaving shiny. So once that was cured, you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think this is a super cute look, and you could do it with any color. I will leave links in the description box below, and I'll see you later. Bye!